Alright guys, let's go. The volume's okay. Let's go to today's trader recap. I'm a little sick, so enthusiasm is on the lower. Alright, so going to the day, news, we had news at 3:45 and at 4 p.m, so I wasn't gonna trade until this news passed. Dude. Okay, let's hide everything, just so y'all can't see. Or maybe try to make it visible. 1 second. 1 second. Alright, let me hide everything. 1 second. Alright. And 1 second. Okay, let me just delete everything. Alright, so going to the market, we were very bullish. So you can see we have an uptrend. We reacted off this fair value gap on the daily time frame. Right here. We reacted off this daily fair value gap perfectly. I mean, honestly, this should be here actually. Yeah, we reacted off this fair value gap, moved up, and I was like expecting like a move towards these highs simply because they're there. Why is this green? Yeah, but that didn't happen. So then on our 4-hour highs prior to market open, we had these highs, we had these highs. I'm just going to talk about NASDAQ today because I want to. You can't tell me what to talk about, so... okay. So I was looking at... What the hell did I just do? What? I didn't know you could do that. That's crazy. That's crazy. Okay, never mind. I was looking at these lows, and you can see that there's these relative equal lows. They literally hit the same price and then it's sweep liquidity. So I colored this a red. No, let's put like a pink, because this is very strong liquid. Nah, a red. This is very strong liquidity right here. Let's make it thicker. All right. So going into market open, we also had this fair value gap on the hourly, but I think I marked it on the... no, I didn't. I marked it on the hourly. This fair value gap. I think that's it. 9? Yeah, because this candle formed later. But I'll mark it out, never mind. So going into market open, NASDAQ just ripped, but ES did like kind of the opposite. ES just kind of consolidated. And Dow Jones, it went down, so it was very confusing, honestly, for me. But because of these relative equal lows, what I was expecting was we will sweep either these highs, which would have been preferred, or these highs, and then make a move down. As you can see, that didn't really happen, but I still made a trade and I still was profitable. So this is where you have to learn that even when the overview doesn't happen, you still need to like make money off of like smaller moves, which is possible. So as I said before, market was very bullish prior to market open, so technically, it would have made more sense if market would have swept these lows and then made a move up instead of made a move up and then move down. Instead, market just moved up. Okay, so anyway, where is it? So at 4 p.m. we had news. That's right here on this candle. On the 10 a.m. candle, because my time is in New York time. And as you can see, news impacted the price, but I just waited until this liquidity will sweep up here, which happened right here. Then I was waiting for a 5-minute down candle, which did happen, as you can see here. Then I was waiting for the break of structure. So if I can mark it out, this was the close of the 5-minute candle, which was red. Then I was waiting for a break of structure, no break of structure, no break of structure, no break of structure, no break of structure. Finally, we get a break of structure here, but like This is too late, in my opinion. So, I still didn't count this yet. I wanted to see a 5-minute down candle first because we reswept these highs right here. Let's make this white. Okay, and let's make it thinner. So basically I was waiting for another 5-minute down candle. Basically the same thing that happened before. So that happened on 10:35. This was nearing the end of my possible trading session, so yeah. So at 10:40 the candle closes, so we have again another one of these. This is where the red candle closed, right here. So now I was looking for a breaker structure to the downside, which I got right here. With this low, I have a template for it. What? Huh? Oh, let's make a template right now. Let's call it breaker structure. Let's make this line blue. And let's make the text on the left side. And let's save it as BOS. So we get a breaker structure right here. Let me delete these other lines, just to make it more clear. I'll delete all the liquidity sweep lines. And we get a fair value gap, which honestly was perfect for me. As you can see, the fair value gap is respected on this candle. Right here. And I entered partially because the candle didn't close yet under, which was honestly kind of annoying. But I still entered here. Stops above this high. I could have had my stops above this candle because this is what forms the fair value gap, but I just did it above this because this is where liquidity is and it's like, it's close enough, you know what I'm saying? I was looking for lows to target. I had a lot of take profits planned. I'll actually mark all of them out. I wasn't exactly sure what was going to get hit and what wouldn't. And because the market was bullish, as I said, I didn't really go for like that long take profits. Like I had them marked out, right? But I didn't actually like set my TPs there. Wait, here's another one, and I had one more over here in the small fair value gap. I don't know, take profit here, which is honestly a very good decision to put my take profit there. I saw that there's this imbalance here and here. I just decided to go in the middle just to add a bit more profit and higher risk but higher profit. And yeah, that's basically my trade entry. I'll turn on my executions so you can see them. Don't ignore this was a mistake. So I guess you can see, after this candle closed, I took one short, which was, I think, 2 contracts. Then after this candle closed, it was red again. I took another contract because my stop loss was still too low, so I could have increased it, which was a great idea. Market dumps, because, you know, I'm a market maker. People see little Jimmy short, so everybody shorts, obviously. My first take profit gets hit within a minute. And that was this one right here, 460. Then we had a retrace, and then my second take profit gets hit right here, 675. And now here's where I made my mistake. I was like, bro, 2 take profits already hit, like, I don't know. So what I did was I sold again. I increased my risk again, and I set my stop loss to break even. So basically, my trade, instead of having my stop loss here, I had it like here, I think. And I got stopped out within like 2 minutes, and I was like, oh yeah, that's just karma. Just karma for being greedy. But honestly, it didn't really matter because I guess I increased my risk. But at the end of the day, I would have gotten stopped out anyway. My original entry was what, like here? Somewhere like here. And that got stopped out later anyway. My take profit wouldn't have gotten hit this one. So it doesn't matter. So I don't care. So I got my first take profit, second take profit, and this is my break even. So in total, this is 1,135 or 45. 45, I think. Quick math. So I'm happy with today's trade. Nothing really more to say. As you can see, price continued to go up. We're trying to take out these highs right now. Let's see. These are the 4-hour highs. Are they daily highs? No, these are not daily highs, but wait, let me delete everything. And let me remove this. Yeah, this high, it's a 4-hour high, so yeah, basically that's it. It hasn't gotten hit yet. We kind of made relative highs on the 4-hour, which is pretty funny, because, you know, it's an algorithm, but that's what it does. I wouldn't be too surprised if tomorrow, if, I don't know honestly what will happen tomorrow. I have no clue what market will do tomorrow. Tomorrow we have Jolt's job openings. I think that does kind of impact markets quite a lot, so I'll have to wait for that. We have a huge fair value gap, so I'll be surprised if price even manages to reach back down here. It's just that the relative equal lows here make me go crazy. You can see this low, it's at price 20,940. This low is exactly the same price, 20,940. The fact that that happened shows me that the algorithm is trying to set up a liquidity sweep over here. A similar thing, I mean not really, here the lows are not that same as on the Nasdaq, and on Dow Jones they're completely different. But yeah, I just thought that was interesting. I saw a different setup, where was it? Never mind, let's see shit. Yeah, never mind, I don't know what I'm saying. Yeah, that's basically it for today. That's the dub. Since I reset my account, which was when 19th, that's like 19th was basically 2 weeks ago, I've made 5,500, that's 5.5%. That's very good, so I'm happy with that. So 5% in 2 weeks is good. If I close this account at profit of 10k, honestly might go with a funded account. I don't know, I think I might need my dad to set it up for me, but I think it might honestly be time. Might be time. I know I'm always procrastinating, but it might be time. Alright, this video is 12 minutes long, so I gotta go. Peace. Good luck trading, and Mikhail, lock in, bro. Lock in. Alright, goodbye.